Capacity: 2 to 3 cups of cooked rice. Sleek handle design that easily lifts up and snaps down. Easy to use, programmable digital controls with automatic keep warm and white rice and brown rice functions. Removable non-stick cooking pot with cooking lid. Top rack dish washer safe. A meal for you or a meal for two. It's minimalist. It's mini. It's MI. Have a meal with MI or invite a friend. MI Aroma Mini Rice Cooker makes more than rice with digital controls of white and brown rice for precise and delicious results. It also makes cake, soup, pasta, omelets and so much more with just the right recipes. It's mini, portable, quick and compact. If you're like MI, you take care of yourself. Whether it's soup when you're sick, dessert when you're in love or anything in between. With MI, the focus is on you. Top reviews from the United States. A great mini. I actually purchased 2 rice cookers here at almost the same time, the Toshiba IH Low Carb Cooker for $170 and this little jewel for around $30. Why? I like a small one like this for hotel rooms. What I prefer with this over the dash I'd been using is that there's no glass lid to break or make noise in luggage, the clips on the sides, and the separate cycles for white and brown rice. I've made a bunch of both types of rice and both have been excellent. There is a small amount of steam leakage onto the lid when cooking particularly brown, but never enough to cause any drip or mess, maybe 5 cc at most. With white, nothing. This little cooker also doesn't have one of those aluminum lids to take off and clean, it's all built in the lid on this machine. It'll easily do great rice with as little of 1/2 of a rice cup, which is 3/4 the amount of a regular cup measure. It's quiet, efficient, and the outside doesn't get hot. Smooth finish doesn't snag on things in baggage. Perfect travel accessory.